afternoon. This is the market update for buy sell short for Tuesday, February 25th. We're starting off with the Dow Transports chart. We finally got that breakout yesterday on pretty decent volume, and then late in the day we gave it up, and today we saw a little bit of weakness on the Dow Transports right at this breakout level. So, we've got a couple of things that could possibly happen over the next day or two. We could see a nice bounce back tomorrow and a re-break of this high, and then off we go to test the highs. Or we could see a little bit of a pullback, possibly to the 7,200 level. If we look at the Dow Daily, you can see we are still in this rising wedge right now and starting to kind of move into a sidewards pattern where we could see a pullback or we could see some more sideways consolidation. And actually the sideways consolidation is fine with us because this kind of market that we've been seeing over the last couple of days is great for small and mid-cap stocks. When you've got the large caps sort of bouncing around with a couple of darling plays like Tesla, etc., it tends to bring lots of trading opportunities to the speculative side of the market. And we've actually been seeing that over the last day or two with biotech stocks blowing up. Biotech stocks, when you see them moving like we've seen over the last day or so, that tells you that the speculative money is again getting back into the market after, sitting back over the last few days wondering if there was going to be a market retrace, and that's great. Looking at the Dow 15-minute chart, after that initial spike, we've been, sort of bouncing around. But if you look, we've got stochastics oversold. We've got RSI oversold. So I'm inclined to believe that unless we see some sort of, negative news, we could see a bounce back in the market come tomorrow. Russell, almost. It got right to that double top breakout yesterday. Came back a little bit today. So let's see if we can get that double top all-time high breakout tomorrow. And if we do, you'll start to see the business media yap about it, and you'll see a lot more speculative money coming to the kind of stocks that we play, and that is great. But anyway, let's jump into some stock plays. A couple of new alerts today. The electric car stock, battery stocks have absolutely been on fire over the last couple of days. KNDI, CBAC today was up 25%. That was a play we alerted yesterday in the chat room at $2.10 and under. Hit 250 plus today, 25% move. ASTI is also a play in this sector. Per the email I had sent out, they have that solar electric car charging system that is now going around touring a bunch of cities over the next 9 months. Well, actually, I guess there's 6 months left on that tour. Breakout, 71 cents. Target, 200-day moving average at 82 cents. Support, 65 cents. Very, very few of these alternative energy plays left at the bottom, and this is definitely one that could get some serious interest. LTRX, kaboom, baby. This was a trading alert yesterday at 2:20 to 2:30 for a play into the conference today where they were presenting on their technology. And boy, did we get a very nice press release out of these guys where they are an Internet of Play, or Internet of Things play, as we've been mentioning many times over the last few weeks. And we got a Internet of Things PR that included Google Analytics in it, and the stock went boom. We were looking for 264 plus. It traded to 330, 50% move in 1 day. Gotta love it. If you are still writing shares in this stock, 250 plus would be your trailing stops if you do not sell all, and see what it does tomorrow. Kind of candle like this. Could see a bounce back tomorrow, or you could see a retrace. So, it's money in the bank, 3/4 plus position booked. See what it does tomorrow. IMVE is also a play on the Internet of Things. Now, we have gotten 2 out of 2 big movers on this conference this week. You recall WaveX was our play on Friday, and we got that Samsung news yesterday, and this stock went boom. It was trading at 128 pre-market yesterday from the 95 cents ads on Friday. 33% gainer. You know my rule. One of my rules that I've learned over the many what is it, 16 plus years of trading is when you have a stock and it has news and it spikes in pre-market, you automatically sell at least half, especially on stocks that can be frustrating to trade like WaveX, and that proved just to be the perfect thing to do because the stock ended up going back under a 1, where we'll get to play it yet again very, very soon. But another monster winner, and along that lines is INVE. INVE, the World Mobile Conference is ongoing right now. You'll start to see a lot of press regarding it today and tomorrow because Zuckerberg's going to be talking there. The WhatsApp CEO is going to be talking there. NFC technology is big at the mobile conference. The last 2 years, IMVE has been the NFC technology. That's who they've been using for the connected city at the Mobile World Conference. So, nice chart setup. Breakout, 95 cents. Just wait and see. Looks like we've got rock solid support at 80 cents. And look, we saw a golden cross on this stock a couple of days ago, and you know what the rule says. When we get a golden cross, there is almost always a retrace initially after the golden cross and then a bust out to new highs. So far, INVE is following that pattern. Let's see, if we get a press release in the next day at this conference, this is a stock that could do exactly what WaveX did and go boom, 33% or more upside. MADZ. We jumped into this puppy yesterday at 43 cents on the Apple controller that has yet to be announced by MADZ. And this stock went boom, traded as high as almost 54 cents. Pull back slightly today because there was no press release from them yet. And then late in the day, it does trade on the Scamex. So late in the day, the specialist went hunting for shares, which is what these crooked specialists do. And down she went, where we picked up some more shares, 45 cents. MADZ loves to issue press releases on all their products. So hopefully we will get that press release tomorrow pre-market. And back up we go. That big breakout is looming just above at 55 cents, the 200-day moving average. So come on, MADZ, pump out that press release. Let everyone know what we already know, that you guys have an Apple iPad, iPod controller, and get this stock off to the races. UTSI, still consolidating. Oh, it's just right there, so close. One press release, and it's off to the races. But you can see rock solid support now, 255. 270 close, sets it free. Probably 275, 280 move is where I would keep a strong watch on this one. If you're looking to pick up some more shares, this is the zone I would place a buy trigger alert for. Couple of disappointments as well today. XGTI, well, actually over the last 2 days, triggered stops, down it went. The stock continues to be a very frustrating play. If you do play it, the goal is really, after the numerous head fakes we've seen in the stock, if you get a gain, take it. Let's see if this was a washout bottom on it tomorrow, and if it can get a recovery back. 20 days up there, 146, so it is well below the 20-day, and it always manages to bounce back when it strays this far away. FSI was looking great yesterday. Big dip on it today. It is a low volume stock. Not overly a surprise because we're actually finally going to get some damn rain here in California. A huge storm coming this week. It is going to do absolutely nothing. It's literally going to be a drop in the bucket for the drought crisis here. And actually, the amount of rain that we're going to get here in San Diego, 2 inches. We have had 2 inches total over the last 6 months. And when you get that much rain in a short period of time, it may as well not rain because it ends up all going down the drain and does us no good. Play through the summer. So we just need a press release, any deal with any water agency, and this will be a very, very large mover. So we got to pull back to the 50-day moving average today. Let's see if we can get a pop back over the next couple of days. So, that's it for the video. Starting to send out a couple of more email alerts now. We've got a few nice setups. The biotech stocks are very, very strong right now, which means there is a speculative element coming back into the market, and that bodes very, very well over the next couple of days. So looking really, really good, guys. Any questions, shoot me an email, feedback, buysellshort.com. Otherwise, I will see you all in the chat tomorrow. Have an awesome evening. Bye.